Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to use OneDrive on mobile devices. So first you want to open the OneDrive app on your Android or iOS device, and then to upload a file, what you want to do is you want to tap the press icon over here or upload button. Here you'll see upload, and then you can upload whatever you want. I'm gonna upload a photo, and if you want to edit the photo or anything that you just uploaded, a file, you want to just tap it, and then here you'll see this option as edit. Here you can edit the photo, as you can see. And basically that's it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.